In a bright blue house on a sunny day, Bluey hummed as she skipped her way. Today's the day, hip hip hooray, a surprise from Mom I can't delay. She tiptoed soft across the floor, past Bingo's room and Daddy's snore. Her tail went swish, her heart went boom as music danced around the room. Wrap it tight, wrap it neat, make my surprise extra sweet. She sang aloud with happy cheer, this is the best day of the year. With ribbons red and paper blue and sticky tape, one strip and two, but oh dear me, tape stuck her paw. Bluey froze with open jaw. Oh no, oh my, what do I do? She giggled, then she laughed, hoo-hoo. She spun around, stuck to the chair, ribbon flying everywhere. Bingo came in with curious eyes. What's that mess? Is it a surprise? Bluey grinned, don't tell, don't peep, it's a secret